A very wonderful good morning to everyone. Today this is me, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at FairGaze, and guess what? I'm present in the Phonics training organized at Guru Harkrishan Public School, India Gate, and I'm present with the headmistress of the school, Ms. Gurmeet Virdi. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. I would like to know from you that what all are you learning from this Phonics training organized in your school?
Okay, basically what we are learning is phonics, as the name suggests. We have our resource person, Mr. Ashish Chauhan, who's here. See, phonics is something which came into existence very late. At least when I was a student, it was never there. So this is helping us to understand the basic between, we understood English as an English language, and today we learned it was not English, it is a Roman transcript that we are actually using. So there are so many new things, the sounds basically, then how to transcribe them, and then how to use the transcription to the IPA. Okay, so this is basically a part of the Helga Todd learning teachers training program. This is the second phase of the continuous professional development for teachers.
A wonderful good morning to everyone. Today this is me, Bhavna Sharma, journalist at FairGaze, and I'm present in the Phonics training organized at Guru Harkrishan Public School, India Gate, and I have with me a teacher who has spent 20 years in this teaching profession. Ma'am, what's your name?
Amar Shodkar.
Okay, ma'am. I would like to know from you that what all you have learned here, and after 20 years of learning also, so what do you feel that you have gained after conducting this training?
It was that previously we were just doing whatever was being done, like the rote thing, traditional ways. But now we are upgrading ourselves, and with this, all this grammar, the phonetics and all. So the pronunciation skills we are improving so that we can teach them the new ways. Okay. To all our students.
Well said, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Many new things which we don't know earlier.
Okay.
Like things get changed after every 10 years. So it's time for us to upgrade ourselves. No? So we are upgrading and learned many new things.
Can you show me some things?
Sure. Yeah, we have learned the IPA language. We never used to use. We simply say it's English, but it's not English. It's an IPA language, and today we have learned how to transcribe them, means from which so-called English to IPA language. As we see in the dictionary, probably we make our dictionary now. Yeah, we are being trained for that now.
Okay.